How AI is redefining the design industry. A designer's best tool in 2025. Welcome to Design Made Easy. Today, we're diving into how AI is changing the design industry. And why that's great news for us designers. Whether you're into interiors, branding, or 3D modeling, AI can save you time and unlock creative possibilities. The shift in design. Traditionally, design involved hours of sketching, rendering, and editing. But now tools powered by AI let us automate repetitive tasks, generate concepts instantly, and even simulate real-world lighting in seconds. AI doesn't replace creativity, it amplifies it. Top AI tools designers are using. 1. Midjourney. Concept generation. Midjourney helps you generate design mood boards, architecture concepts, and creative compositions using simple prompts. DALL-E/Firefly. Visual assets and mockups. Use DALL-E or Adobe Firefly to create product mockups, wallpapers, textures, or even mood images for your design proposals. Interior AI/Reimagine home. Interior layouts. Drag and drop your room photos and let AI generate complete redesigns. A dream for interior stylists. Subscribe to get more videos. If this helped you see AI in a new light, hit that like button and subscribe to Design Made Easy. Drop a comment with your favorite AI tool or what you want us to cover next. Subscribe.